Hi guys, Trade with Crazii version 10.4, the revision of yesterday's market. So this morning, I want to share with you is what happened on DAX last night. Okay, so let's go into the DAX right now. Okay, so this is DAX as you can see on my screen. All can see, yeah? Okay. Okay, so DAX yesterday opened at 20938, and then after that it went all the way up to hit my pivot level at 21203. So it's a very perfect trade itself because it was above the MLP, it was above the MA 200, so it was a very strong buy in the market. Okay, so what is happening at the same time itself? Do you see the 4 diamond and the 1 diamond? They stack together, so that was why it's a very strong buy signal yesterday. Now with the KSI turning green and KCX turning black color, it's even fulfill the upside potential. But there's an issue here, everybody. Take note. Now, because it's a 4 diamond and the 1 diamond equal to stack diamond, it's supposed to be very powerful today. So everybody, the closing price is 21,268. 21,268. Okay. So today, very simple. If the market today can stay above 21,268, there's a very high chance the DAX can continue to go higher and it may go all the way to 21,662. Okay. All right. So which means that now here is 21,268 is the closing price of the diamond, the stacked diamond. So if it goes up higher, it can go even to this number, which is 21,662. All right. But at the same time, if the market fail to stay above 21,268, then there will be selling. There will be selling. And if you ask me how much will it go down, I believe you go down to cover this KCB, which is 20,938. So 20,938. So let's see whether these numbers will come out true today. I believe that the upside is here if it goes up. I believe the downside is here if it comes down. All right, so let's see whether later on, whether my prediction is right or wrong. Okay, now let's look at the next thing, which is the day chart itself, what happened during intraday. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is the DAX for the whole day. So I'm going to revise with you slowly on how you were traded with the DAX itself. Yeah, I can see a lot of this Indonesian friends are all online right now. Thank you for coming in. Okay, so the thing is this, you can see that at the start there's a diamond here, right? So what you do, draw a line exactly at the closing price. Oh my goodness, this is amazing, right, guys? You see, this is the first buy you should be buying, right? This is the first thing to buy. And then after that, the price go a little bit, and then it pull back down very nicely. And again, you can see it stays above the line. Oh my goodness, it stays above the line. And then after that, the market continued to go up, and KTR plus 2 was given. KTR plus 3 was also given. KTR plus pivot 1 are all given. So by right itself, you should take a profit and go. You shouldn't be staying anymore. Yeah, let's say you are supposed to do and follow the rules. Okay, then later on, you can see a new diamond is formed. Let me just show to you. A new diamond is formed. So what you do is that you just have to put it in. Now, at this junction here itself, right, it turns to red, all right? Turns to red. So you want to cut your position for a long position earlier? Yes, you can. Over here, you just cut your long position. Then after that, you notice there's a new 4 diamond again. You draw your line into this. Now, this is where you get very amazing. So you can see that after that, the market got go up a little bit, but after it failed, it came back down. And then now it trades below the line. So with that itself, right, remember I need to use some KTR plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 are being given. Pivot 1 also being given. So by right, you should stop trading. But let's say you continue to trade regardless, right? Then you will have a hanging position over there. And then after that, you can see very nicely, as long as you follow the rules of engagement, below the line, you sell, below the line, you sell, you're done. Okay? So at least the market goes down all the way to KTR plus 2. Now, later on, towards the end, you can see that there's another stacked diamond here where you draw the line like this. And again, the market has to go higher. And because it's stacked diamond, the impact is pretty strong, right? So as you see, after that, you see what happened. The market stays above the line and the market just keep on going higher and higher and higher, right? Until somewhere around here itself. And then after that, you notice that there's another diamond here. Okay, it's pretty long. So you can do the same drawing again and you just draw and make sure that it's correct. This guy went sideways. Then that new diamond appear. We have a very interesting movement. We have the buy initially, and then followed by the sell. Okay, so you can see that one day for DAX, we can trade up to 7-8 times. Like the market is actually vibrant. So you can see the last hour, the market get very sideways. Usually sideways market, we don't trade the gold. I mean, we don't trade anything. That we just leave it there. So I repeat one more time. When the market is already given you the KTR plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, 1 is given to you. The rest of the day, try not to trade anymore because the standard deviation is already been given. No point taking the trade. Maybe today may go to KTR 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, but I think for the long run itself, right, it's best not to trade when the market has given you KTR 1, 2, 3 or minus 1, 2, 3 already. All right, all clear? If all clear itself, right, press the next number, which is number 4. Okay, so that will be all for today, for today's revision sharing itself. I hope that you understand this. All right, tomorrow we have more to go and hope you guys can make money from the market. Please continue to try with the Crazii system. All right, signing off. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.